Ever looked at your Acorns account and thought, hey, I could really use this cash right now? Maybe you're saving for a vacation, a down payment, or just need some extra spending money. Whatever your reason, transferring money out of Acorns isn't as complicated as it might seem. Today, we're breaking it down step by step. Let's dive in. Understanding Acorns. Before we get into the nitty-gritty of transferring money, let's quickly recap what Acorns is. For those who are new to the app, Acorns is an investment app that rounds up your purchases to the nearest dollar and invests the difference. It's a clever way to save without really feeling like you're saving. But what if you want to access those funds? That's where we come in. When to transfer money from Acorns. Now, let's talk about why you might want to transfer money out of Acorns. There are a few common reasons. Emergencies, life happens. Sometimes, you need quick access to cash for unexpected expenses. Large purchases, maybe you're saving up for a big-ticket item like a car or a down payment on a house. Rebalancing your portfolio, if your investment strategy changes, you might need to transfer funds to another account. How to transfer money from Acorns. Alright, let's get to the good stuff. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to transfer money from your Acorns account. Log into your Acorns account. Start by opening the Acorns app on your smartphone or logging into your account on a computer. Find the transfer option. Look for a section labeled Transfer, Withdraw, or something similar. The exact location might vary depending on the app version. Choose your transfer method. You'll typically have a few options. Instant transfer. This is usually for smaller amounts and funds will be available almost immediately. There might be fees associated with this method. Standard transfer. This is for larger amounts and can take a few business days to process. Transfer to linked bank account. If you've linked a bank account to Acorns, you can transfer funds directly to it. Enter the transfer amount. Specify the amount of money you want to transfer. Remember, there might be minimum or maximum transfer limits. Confirm the transfer, review the transfer details, and confirm the transaction. Additional tips. Check transfer fees. Be aware of any fees associated with transferring money. Some methods might be cheaper than others. Consider tax implications. Depending on your investment account type, traditional or Roth IRA, there might be tax consequences for withdrawing money. Security. Always prioritize security when transferring money. Make sure you're on the official Acorns website or app and avoid sharing personal information. Troubleshooting common issues. Sometimes, things don't go as planned. Here are some common issues you might encounter and how to resolve them. Transfer failed. Check for insufficient funds, incorrect account information, or technical glitches. Delayed transfer. If your transfer is taking longer than expected, contact Acorns customer support. Transfer fees. Review the fee structure for your chosen transfer method. Conclusion. Transferring money from Acorns is generally straightforward, but it's essential to understand the process and potential implications. By following these steps and keeping an eye out for common issues, you can successfully move your money when needed. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.